Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplot library series. Python Matplot library. So this video we are going to see about lines. So the first one is line style. So you can use the keyboard argument line style or short ls to change the style of the plotted lines. So we are going to plot a dotted line here. For that we have a y points np.array as 3, 8, 1, 10, and the plot y points and the line style is equal to dotted, so it will show the dotted lines here. So to use a dashed line, we need to make the line style is equal to dashed, dashed. So you can see in the right side of the picture it is dashed. Shorter syntax also we can use for the line styles. So for the line style we can use the ls, dotted we can use the colon, and dashed we can use the double hyphen. To use a dashed line in the short style, we have ls equal to colon. Line styles, so solid we can use hyphen, dotted we can use colon, dashed we can use hyphen hyphen, dashed dot you can use hyphen dot, and none you can use empty strings or space. Can also fix the line color, so for that we can use the color or the shorter form C to see the color of the line. Here we are going to use the line color red, so we are using color equal to R. You can also use the hexadecimal color values, so C equal to hash for CA50, which represents the light green color, so which is plotted here. They are also giving the support of 140 supported colors, like that the hot pink is one color they choose from, which is shown in the picture. So can we change the line width? Yes, we can change the line width also. For the shorter value is LW, we can use some floating numbers for that. We have give the line width as 20.5, so the line width you can see in the right side, it is like a thick line. Can we add multiple lines? Yes, we can add multiple lines also. So here we are using two arrays. One is y1 and another one is y2. So the y1 array has values like 3, 8, 1, 10, and y has 6, 2, 7, 11. So the plot of y1, plot of y2 is going to show. So you can see two different lines with two different colors. Multiple lines, you can use the plot function. So we are going to use one example to have the specific point of y-axis, meaning that the points on x-axis got to the default value. The x1 y pass comes like x1 is having one array, y1 is having one array, x2 y2 has arrays. So x1 will be taken as the x-axis, y1 as the x-axis, sorry y-axis, and x2 as the y-axis, and y2 as the y-axis. So these points are merged and shown in the graph. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.